Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about KEVYN AUCOIN. Okay guys, seriously, this concealer has changed my life. You guys know how my dark circles just bug the crap out of me. And when you have dark circles, it's a thing, it's a something you constantly have to cover up. You don't have to, but you look tired when you don't add a little something. So you go outside without makeup, and even if your skin is clear, and then you have these dark circles, and it's like, have you gotten sleep? Are you tired? No, I got sleep. I'm fine. Yeah. So I'm always consistently trying to either lessen if I'm going for a natural look, just lessen the darkness a little bit and it'll still show, which is fine. But it's kind of always great when they can be erased. So I tried the KEVYN AUCOIN Sensual Skin Enhancer Concealer. You get 0.63 ounces and it retails for $48. Comes in like 16 or 15 different shades, like amazing. And I got Sx11. Let's see, does that have a color to it or anything? Yeah, it's Sx11. It's medium to tan with golden undertones. And I bought it online, so I wasn't quite sure if I got the right one, but I did, which is great. What is it? It's waterproof, full coverage concealer that is highly pigmented for buildable coverage. It's natural, it's cream, it's for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. It's free of sulfates, SLS, and SLES, parabens, and all that good stuff. It covers, corrects, and conceals. It's formulated with jojoba oil and honey, which moisturize and smooth the look of skin. It instantly conceals dark circles, blemishes, discoloration, redness, and hyperpigmentation. The high concentration of pigments is non-cakey and won't settle into fine lines or pores. This concealer formula is perfect for all skin types and only requires a rice grain size amount for complete coverage. Crazy, right? How to use. Pick up a rice grain amount with the concealer brush and apply sparingly to your under eye and areas that need brightening. Use the warmth of your fingers to gently blend the concealer, spot correct areas, and build coverage where necessary by stippling if you're using a brush. I'm not using a brush. Pro tips. The concealer in shade Sx09 doubles as a color corrector, neutralizing hyperpigmentation. Huh. For contouring, which I don't do, it's say create dimension and depth by selecting a color that is 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. For highlighting, which I don't do that either, select the shade 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. All right. Guys, I've been using this for 2 weeks. Wait, I got this at the same time as I got my Pat McGrath, and I have my Pat McGrath on right now. Her foundation, but it came like this, so I haven't used all of that. This is how it came. Guys, I learned the hard way. You put too much of this on, it creases. You're like, oh my gosh, why is this creasing? And yeah, too much is like, so okay, let me put it on and show you what. Guys, I just kind of dip my finger in there a little bit. It's creamy. It's not overly thick. And I just kind of touch it a little bit. Yeah, guys, this is crazy pigmented. I should have I shouldn't have put it on both. I'm sorry, guys. But look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Right? and you can build. But you put too much, guys, it will crease on you. I'm gonna take a little bit more, just a little bit. Tell you, I learned the hard way. Pull down here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Crazy, right? It's beautiful. It is just beautiful. Oh, I put too much. It's okay. I'll dab a little bit. When they say a rice grain, guys, seriously, they mean a rice grain. And yeah, but you see how it brightened my under eyes, and it just, it's so beautiful. I was thinking, where have you been my whole life? Like this is like this has replaced my Tarte Shape Tape. Well, I had to find something to replace my Tarte Shape Tape because the Tarte Shape Tape is not pregnancy friendly, unfortunately, with some of the ingredients it has. So yeah, but yeah, this is amazing. And even after pregnancy, this is my new go-to. This is just beautiful, and I don't have to put as much. Not nearly as much. I'm just putting the rest that's on my fingertips. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I had to tell you this was a wonderful find for me that I'm so happy about. And you guys know how I love to tell you about stuff that works great. And I set it with my flower setting powder by Beauty Bakery that I use in yellow. I just let it set underneath my eyes, you know, for a little bit. You can bake with it and it's still fine. So, yeah. So I let that set because I have to set the other part of my face too. I will see you guys next time. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Guys, that concealer, awesome. Seriously, awesome.